Hey lovies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if this is your first time tuning in and you have no idea what I'm going to be talking about, check my last video that I recently posted. It explains everything that you may want to know and understand about this page. So today's topic is going to be how to know your skin type. Some remedies may or may not work if you do not know your skin type. So knowing your skin type helps you to best understand and know what skin type you have and to determine what type of remedies that you're going to use. So here's a little guideline to show you how to know your skin type.
Well, basically, there are 5 main types of skin worldwide known, but there could be other types of skin out there that we might not know about them. But these are the 5 main types of skin, which we have: normal skin, dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, and sensitive skin. So first of all, I would like to recommend you to wash your face with any type of soap that you use at home and clean it with a dry towel. Then this is how you're going to recognize what type of skin you have. So if you're a normal skin type of person, here's the description. Normal skin is well balanced, neither too oily or too dry, with barely visible pores, but mostly it is very dry, which makes it very rare to find any oil either on your T-zone or the C-zone. So you might be wondering, what is the T-zone or the C-zone? The T-zone is the part of your face consisting of the forehead, nose, and the area around your mouth, including the chin. It is so named because it is shaped like a T letter. And what is the C-zone? The C-zone is the area around your eyes, under your eyes, from your cheekbones to down to your chin, like almost lower to your lips, like as seen in the diagram. So if you're dry skin type of person, dry skin can feel rough and look dull. You might be experiencing some cracks, peel, or become itchy. If it's very dry, it can become rough and scaly. Dehydration may also be a leading cause of dry skin, so drinking plenty of water and avoiding diuretics like alcohol can make a significant difference on how your skin feels or looks. There is no slight chance of oiliness. If you're an oily type of skin, it is easy to recognize an oily skin. It is marked by large pores and a shiny, thicker feeling complexion. The skin provides more than enough oil, so hydration isn't the issue. So you might expect to see some pimples on the T-zone or enlarged pores. If you're a combination skin type of person, this takes its name from the fact that it is a combination of 2 types of skin, which is normal skin to dry and oily, blemished skin, which means your skin can be normal or dry in some areas and oily in others. Mostly it's the T-zone only is oiler, and the rest of the cheeks area is normal to dry. Symptoms that categorize as a combination skin or combo skin is shiny skin with blackheads. The last but not least, if you're a sensitive skin type of person, this is the most complicated type of skin. Most people with sensitive skin deal with some amount of redness. This can take the form of red rash, red bumps, may often feel itchy and tight, especially after cleansing with products that are too harsh. Using hot water can make it worse. You may especially notice itching when the air is cold and dry. This means that when you experience some environmental changes. I hope this small summary made you realize a little bit about what type of skin you may be at your current situation. So there's one thing that you may need to know, and which is
Your skin type changes according to your age, your hormonal changes, or the seasons. It could be by traveling, different locations, different weather sessions. So you don't have to worry if you were once oily and then suddenly you became dry type of skin. So you really don't have to worry. It just depends with the location or the place that you are or the season or anything. So please, before anything, tell a friend, and make sure you comment down what type of skin are you after watching my video. And make sure you like it, you share it all over, and you subscribe and turning on the notification ring, because there is so much more that I want you guys to know about.